So I know, like I know for like a certain fact. One of the few things that I know with like for complete certain is that I have a consciousness or like a soul or whatever you want to call it, and that it somehow controls my actions. So now that's rather strange if you think about it, because usually when we think about the universe or whatever, we think of it as like a like determine. That's a horribly drawn universe. That's not at all what the universe looks like. But we think of the universe as like deterministic, like this happens, then this happens, causing this to happen, and that combines with this other thing, which makes this and this happen, and that happens like with time and stuff. Now, like a soul is kind of a strange thing because somehow it goes in there and it causes something to happen. How does it do that? Now, so like I know I have a soul, and I have and not only that, I have the ability to say that I have a soul. So, but how? How do I do that? That's pretty strange if you think about it. Like, how does, let's say we have this brain that is evolved from a monkey. So here we have the diagram. I do not know how to draw a monkey. I'll just give it large ears and a tail. There. Here is the monkey. Now, how does, and before the monkey, we have a single celled organism with its cell wall and its whatever, and its organelles. That evolves into multi-celled organism, which evolves into monkey, and monkey evolves into a person who has a brain. Well, obviously monkeys have brains too, but like, now how does this thing become a soul? Where does the soul come from? How does the soul evolve? I do not understand. We just how does like we're now you could just say that the soul is a just the frontal lobe of the brain or something like that. Now that makes sense because if something damages your frontal lobe, that's pretty bad. So it could be concluded that the soul is actually just the frontal lobe. Interestingly, some people have had certain conditions which makes their brain not work good. So their brain is working bad and they forget things. They do not remember the things that they have learned. They do not know other people because they have forgotten them. But sometimes they remember remember the things that happened in the past. Like, now, how? And then they die. Well, everyone dies eventually. But how do they remember? Is it their soul remembering? Is it their brain remembering? Maybe it is the monkey that remembers